Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage, standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 76. POS Systems Down Procedure. TBA. When Opera is down. If Opera, our transaction consolidation system, experiences downtime or interface issues, guest check postings can be carried out normally. Items can be posted, checks can be printed, and orders can be sent to printers. Avoid processing payments, as they won't transfer to Opera, potentially causing an imbalance. Note payments manually on the check to indicate its closure. When Opera is restored, closed checks that were manually noted should be entered into micros as indicated on the check. When micros is down, short period. For shorter downtime periods not extending beyond the shift, perform manual check processing. Note items on the check, sum them up upon guest request, and manually note payment for closure. Assign a single person per outlet for communication with kitchen and bar to ensure accurate order delivery. Coordinate with the duty manager for assistance if required. When micros is back online, inform kitchen and bar that upcoming orders have been processed and shouldn't be prepared. Post all manual checks in the system, closing them with the noted payments. Resume normal operations once checks are posted. When micros is down, long period. Follow the same procedure as for short periods. If downtime extends over a shift, prepare a reconciliation sheet. Check number, copy from Excel to the check. Total check amount. Payment type and related information, credit card number, room number, etc. Accompany the sheet with the checks and hand it over to the next shift or night audit. Restoring micros system. Before resuming normal operations, inform kitchen and bar about processed orders and not to prepare upcoming ones. Post manual checks in the system, close with noted payments. Reconcile with the reconciliation sheets to ensure accuracy. Ensure checks are posted in the appropriate serving periods. Only after completion and balance, inform kitchen and bar that the system is back and orders can be prepared. Resume normal operations when all checks are posted and balanced. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.